Namaste to everyone. Today in this video we will learn how to restrict path parameter to predefined values. So for example, we are creating a path like this, study material, and here we want some values from user, and those values should be only book, pen or notebook. Any other value if user will put, then our API should give error. And for that I will show you three different type of example. That means three different ways you can use to restrict path parameter. So the first one is very simple. So let's start with first. So here we will create our API route. So app dot get, and here study, item type, and its type will be string. And here what we can do, we can just use if condition to check if user has given some predefined values or not. So if item type in book, okay, so if item type in book, pen and notebook, then we will respond. So then return message you requested item type. Okay, and if it will go to else part, then return error. Okay, now let's run this in our browser. Also you can use Postman to test your APIs. So for this example I will show you how to test in Postman. So wait for the server reload and then we will test. Okay, and here first static route is study material, and then we can put pen, and here you can see the message you requested pen. And if we put any other instead of those three, then we should get error. So let's put here paper. Okay, so here you can see invalid request. So this was the first way to restrict the path parameter to predefined values. Now we will see second and third method. So for that, the second way is using enum. So first we need to import the enum. So from import enum, and here we will create one enum class. So and this class will be string type, and here enum. Now here we will put predefined values. So the first Indian recipe is okay, and same we will put some others. Okay, so our enum class is ready. Now create the route, and here app dot get. Now define the function. So get recipe, and here recipe name. Now we need to return. So here return, also we can put message here. So this is the second way, and also at the end of the video I will explain you why you should use second and third way and not the first that I have shown you. Although there is no any issue using first way, but you should use second way and the third way. So before that, let's run this and see the output. And here we will put lassi, and you can see here the enum values. So we need to put lassi here, and here the recipe is lassi, and you have selected lassi. If you put any other thing, so already you have seen that it will give error. So like roti, and it will give error, and also it will show you the accepted values, that value it will accept. Okay, so these inner values will be accepted. Now let's see the third way to use this restriction, and third way is little bit easy and powerful. So here we will use literals, and for that we need to import the literals. So from okay, after importing the literal app dot get, here we will use colors. So color name, define the function. So get color, and here color name and literals, and here we will put all predefined values that we will accept in this route. So first is red, then green, and let's put last is blue, so it will be RGB. Okay, so it will accept only red, green and blue. I have done this mistake, so this will be this bracket. Okay, okay, so now return, let's return message. You have selected color name. So here you can see we are using literal, and this literal defines that we can get only red, green and blue. So let's test this third one, and then we will go to the documentation side and see why this first one is not recommended, although you can use and it has no any issue, but why this first one is not recommended, and you can use this second and third way. Okay, so first let's test this. And here you can see the message you have selected red, so red, green, blue will be accepted, red, green, but if you put yellow, then you will get the same error message that you have seen in the recipe section. Okay, so here message unexpected value permitted red, green, blue. Okay, also given yellow, permitted red, green, blue. So this was the third way to restrict the user for entering predefined values. Now let's open the documentation. Here we have all these three APIs, and let's open the first, and here you will see we need to put one item type. Okay, and we don't have any info that what kind of values are restricted, so that's why I told you that this first way is not recommended, although you can use and it will work, but in the documentation we don't have any information about the accepted inputs. Okay, the second is recipe, and here available values. Okay, paneer tikka, mutton, matar kachori, pani puri and lassi, and also if we want to try it, we have those four in this drop down. Okay, so we can just select from the drop down and execute, and here we have this response. Same for the third, we also have these available values and we can select from the drop down. So for the documentation purpose, the second and third way is good, and if you don't want to show these accepted value in the documentation, then you can also use the first way. So I think that is enough for this video. In the next video, we will continue this discussion about path parameter and learn some new things. So thanks for watching this video. Meanwhile, I will upload the next video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends. And also, if you have not subscribed the channel, then please hit subscribe button. So thanks for watching once again. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.